Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you don't have to miss any more videos in the near future. Today we're gonna be doing a unboxing of the microphone stand here. I believe it's from InnoGear. They make these microphone stands, for Blue Yeti, Snowball, or bunch of different microphones. So with all that being said, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, hit that notification bell. I'll try my best to leave a link down in the description below if you're interested of purchasing this device or microphone stand here. So with all that being said, let's jump right into it, open this box and see what it all comes by with. Hopefully I will have time to set it up. Alright guys, that's the box here itself. So let's check it out and open and see what does it actually comes by with. I guess that's about it, nothing in the box here. So I'm gonna set that aside here and see. This is the arm itself. And that's it. Alright, these are just the instruction, the user manual that comes with it. You can go through it and read if you wish or whatnot. It just tells you how to actually put everything together here and what kind of microphones are compatible with this Scissor here. You can read through this if you want to. This is the microphone adapter here, which I'm not going to be using. This is the clamp that goes on the table and the other end comes through here. This is just a adapter in case you have a different microphone that doesn't fit here. You can use this to put it through. Me myself here, this is one that I'm intending to use with it for now. So I'm gonna demonstrate that here. Just put it together to see how well it holds on it. But I believe you can use Blue Yeti. That's what it says on the instructions. You just screw this in here. It's very easy either way. Just screw it here, just like so, and put your blue snow here, just like that. I'm not gonna put it all the way through just for the sake of this demonstration, trying to show you guys, have an idea. There's a tape here, just in case, to put it there, just in case your microphone doesn't sit well. You can use this tape, to have more friction to it. But like I said, I will leave a link down in the description below, and in case if you wanted to purchase the microphone itself. Right now I believe it's about 12 bucks on Amazon, which is very cheap. In my opinion, the microphone itself, it's not all that, or nothing really fancy or great or whatnot. It does the job. It holds really well. On the spec, it will tell you how much of a load it can take or whatnot. So just be something you can usually watch out for. But like I said, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, please leave a comment down in the comment section down below and tell me what your opinion is, or what you think should be done and should not be done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends or whatnot. So I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.